Ba't karon pahinumduman ta sa Dios nining atong kasaulugan? Dili ang atong kaliwatan ang makadefine sa atong kaugmaon, kundi ang Dios na nagpili nato. In short, kining genealogy of Jesus, dili lang diay kini listahan sa mga pangalan, kundi listahan kini sa lihok, sa grasya, sa Diyos, sa atong kaliwatan. Listahan sa grasya. Now, I understand na dili lang din ordinaryo ng mga pangalan-ngalan lang ang gusto imisahi sa Diyos nato karon. Dili ipakita niya nato na dunay grasya in the midst of the chaos of our families. Listahan sa mga tao, mga pakyas, apan wala mamiya sa Diyos. And so, as we are nearing to the birth of the Messiah, let us always remember these things. That the family into which Jesus was born was not a perfect family. Yet from this family came salvation, because we believe that God's love is greater than our human failure. That even a broken family tree can still bear fruit when God is its root. Christmas for us is not just a celebration of perfect families, but of God's presence in the midst of families' imperfections. Christmas reminds us that God enters our family history not to condemn it, but to redeem it. God bless us all.